Well, guys, it's time to move on down the road. Been here in Kiev way longer than I planned to be. So we're going to head down the road to Kharkiv today. So I gotta get up and pack again. All my stuff into my little bag. So that's the plan. Oh, I gotta admit, the weather here has been great. But I am not gonna miss this room. Yeah, it's cheap, but this bed sucks. This bed really freaking sucks. I can't believe I've slept on this bed for 3 weeks. And I am really, really looking forward to having a shower in my room. Really, really looking forward to it.
1 hour later.
All right, I'm all packed up. Checked out of the hotel. My train, I took a later train. So I hate rushing around in the morning. The only other train left at like 7 o'clock. I hate packing the night before. So I took the later train. Train doesn't leave till like 3. And it is right now, it's like 10:15. So I am going to go to the mall and have my kefir, chill out a little bit, and then I'll get to the train station early because I have to go through that security. Praying I don't have to do like TSA in the US and start pulling stuff out of my bag. My last day in Kyiv for now. So I'm gonna head over to the mall. Just relax a little bit. All right, so I'm here at the mall just chilling for a couple hours. Then I'll go chill at the train station for a couple hours. I hate rushing around. I'm having my kefir that I am now addicted to. This stuff here, from what I understand, this is like a superfood. It's supposed to get your gut microbiome like really rocking. So we shall see. Just gonna hang out here for a couple hours and chill, do some stuff on my phone, and then go back to the hotel and get my bag and head to the train station. Before I go to the train station, I will go to the McDonald's. Here at the mall, they got these killer almond croissants that I've never seen in the US, so I'm gonna grab me one of them. I got plenty of time. One of the nicest McDonald's I've been in. Go in and order our croissant. Wow, lunchtime. Things are good. They got filling in them, almond filling, and they're cheap. 45 hryvnia, so that's about $1. So hold me over for a while. So I don't want to be an American griper again, but like this McDonald's is spotless. Seriously, inside, as soon as someone leaves the table, they run up, wipe it all down, throw any garbage left over behind. This outdoor area, not a speck of garbage on the ground. Nothing on the tables. US, garbage on all the tables, crap on the ground, on the floor, under the table, old French fries. It's just a different state of mind here. That's why the streets are clean. I've actually watched people need to throw away a little gum wrapper or something and literally walk out of their way across the sidewalk to put it in a garbage can. All right, just ordered up a Bolt on the way to the train station. Alright, we made it to the train station. See what, hopefully the security in here isn't too crazy. It's a beautiful train station. A lot of people coming in here. Oh, let's see here. Go in here. No, okay. I was coming in the door into security. A cop like grabbed me and said, "Turn off, stop videoing." So I guess that makes sense. Don't want a video going into security so that everybody can see what's going on. But security went like super fast. So that is good. So now let's just see if we can find our train on here. Out of the millions of things on this port. This looks good. Look at that. Delicious. Nice. Got over here. Look at that. Bread with salami and cheese. For 40 hryvnia, 30 hryvnia, that is about 75 cents. Yeah, nice train station. Because I was like, those donuts look like they're freaking plastic. And here they're like wrapped in like super tight cellophane. That's the reason. Really nice little store here, the Kyiv train station with food. Prices are reasonable. By the way, this is how they do hot dogs here. They're actually like really good, man. They're really good. They just slide them in this like bun thing. First they put it on the panini grill and they grill it, and then they slide it first, and then they put some ketchup in there and mustard, and they shove it down in there, and it just like squeezes up out. And you just hold it and munch on it. They're delicious. Really cool map here. It's made out of wood. Fortunately, reservoir isn't here anymore. This is where we're headed. Right here. Very cool. Now, if only I didn't have a freaking tooth that was killing me, I'd get one of those sandwiches. But I can't chew. Had to wait till I got here, right?
80 minutes later.
Yeah, so I'm waiting here at the station for 3 hours, killing time. We haven't had an air raid in Kyiv for like 4 days. My train leaves in a half an hour, and they want everybody to leave the building. And I don't know what track my train is on. Yeah, so they chased us all outside. Like I said, my train is supposed to leave in 40 minutes, but it looks like no one else knows what track their train is supposed to be on. And these things usually like last for like an hour. So 15 minutes later. All right, so they finally announced the The train to Kharkiv is at track 11. And I heard some other Ukrainian guys, they were trying to go up in the building to get down to 11, which is like 3 tracks over. And the guy was screaming at him, "You can't come up here, you can't come up here." And he's like, "We got to get over there to track 11. At least that's what I assume. So he told him, if you go further down the track, there's a little underground tunnel that goes between the tracks. So here I am at track 11. And, well, at least I'm at the right track. And we're still all outside. And I just realized I left my sunglasses somewhere. So I don't have any sunglasses. Well, we made it on the train. And we're rolling. But once again, facing backwards. And I hate that. I hate it. And I even did like research on Google to figure out which side of the train to buy the ticket on. Obviously, it was wrong. Well, at least the train. I made it on the train and we left.
У тебя тоже? Да?
All right, well, we made to Kharkiv. Right on schedule. So now I gotta figure out how to get to the main part of the train station. Alright, yeah, this is what I love about Kharkiv. I'm back in my city, guys. I got tingles. Alright, well. Wow. Awesome train station. Awesome train station. Alright, so I gotta figure out, get my, alright, gotta figure out exactly where I'm supposed to be here. Or where I gotta go to get to the hotel. But yep, we're in Kharkiv. Okay, so I wanted to make a quick video of the room that I got, the first room I got in Kharkiv. It's not bad. $13 a night. No, actually $15 a night. But I had my own shower and the water was hot. So, anyways, off to the new place.